A punch transmits the hammer's striking power from this soft end down to the tip that is hardened high-carbon steel. A punch makes an accurate blow at exactly one point, something that can't be guaranteed with a hammer. There are some points drawn on this plate to help locate a hole to be drilled in it. A prick punch is used to mark the points so they won't rub off, and scribe some intersecting lines between them. Its point is very sharp, so a gentle tap leaves a clear indentation. It's easier now to draw the lines based on permanent marks. This centre punch isn't as sharp as a prick punch, and it's usually bigger. It makes a bigger indentation, called a centre. That'll centre the drill at the point where the hole must go. That's where the name centre punch comes from. The pin punch is available in various diameters. It's used to drive out rivets or pins. A lot of components are either held together or accurately located by pins. Pins can be pretty tight, and a group of punches is specially designed to deal with them. This is a starter drift punch. Starter, because you should always use it first to get a pin moving. It has a tapered shank, and the tip is slightly hollow so it doesn't spread the end of a pin and make it an even tighter fit. Once the starter drift has got the pin moving, a suitable pin punch will drive the pin right out or in. Special punches with hollow ends are called wad punches or hollow punches. They're the neatest tool to make a hole in soft sheet material like shim steel, plastic, leather, or most commonly in a gasket. There should always be a soft surface under the work, ideally the end grain of a wooden block. If a hollow punch loses its sharpness or has nicks around its edge, it'll make a mess, not a hole. Numbers and letters, like engine numbers on a cylinder block, are usually made with number and letter punches that come in boxed sets. The rules for using them are true for all punches. The punch must be square with the surface being worked on, not on an angle. And the hammer must hit the top squarely.